Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of the automotive industry. It was first introduced in Japan, and by 2000, it was available worldwide. It was developed by a team led by Takeshi Yamada. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Prius, 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 Prius. An interesting fact about the Prius is that it was the first mass-produced hybrid car, and it played a significant role in promoting hybrid technology. The Prius comes in various models, including hatchbacks and sedans. Its top speed is around 112 miles per hour, and it is known for its eco-friendly performance and low emissions. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Prius, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.